Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a follow-up about the S&B cold air intake that I have in my 4Runner. Oh, jeez, wife. Alright, so technically I installed this I think like 3 months ago or something like that. But then I went to Alaska for a month, so I never really drove it in May. So I've really only drove it about a month or so now. So this is technically a month and a half-ish update on this air filter. So and the reason I'm doing this is if you guys missed the whole playlist, I'll put it up in the iCard up above. But with the giveaway, we got a few new followers, so and that announcement will be later this week. But we did get a few new followers, and some may not know that I've done this on the 4Runner. This thing is very hot in the forums right now, although I'm not on the forums a lot, but it is hot in the forums. It's hot on Instagram and everything right now, but it's definitely gained some traction. So I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. So I freaking love it so far, guys. The MPGs is still really good on it. No real dust has really gone inside of it. I don't see any actually in the filter except for just a little bit right there. I haven't popped this off yet since I've had it installed, but everything, nothing's come loose. Nothing like that of that nature, and I cupped mine just kind of into the fender wall for it, but so far I absolutely love it. My MPGs has gone down a little now, so before when I was just driving it normally, it's it was up about 1 or 2 MPGs I think on the MPG mile loop test video that I did with it, and when we referred that back to the base MPG test that I did, but it's gone down a little bit. I'm sitting at around 19 and a half, almost 20 miles per gallon right now. And I do floor it sometimes, and it is so loud, and it gets this thing up and going. I still want to do a 0 to 60 for you guys, and actually get the times logged. But very impressed with this system. California dudes, I'm sorry again. For some reason they make it in California, but you cannot get it in California. They are looking for testers right now of a 2019 if you guys are near Fontana area. Other than that, you can't get it in California, I'm sorry. The loud noise that it makes with the box vibration and everything when you floor it, you have a nice throaty sound too. And the throttle body, like with this new tube going into the throttle body, the whistle is awesome. It almost sounds like you got a little turbocharger under this thing, but you don't. But the little bit of throttle whistle that you do get with it is very cool. Highly recommend it. I will leave links down in the description. I will leave the playlist link down in the description. I just wanted to give a video this week for this, and I'm gonna start reviewing things that I've had installed in the vehicle for a while to show you guys long-term testing for it. And I just haven't done that lately. So like things like this, the light bar, the Rego mounts, the LFD cross members up top on the roof rack, the Cali rays sliders, like there's a lot of stuff to this vehicle, the aux beam, LED lights and all that stuff. So I do want to start doing more review stuff since, you know, I did some of these things when there was only 4,000 subscribers to the channel. So if you guys are new around here, I do appreciate your subscription. Thank you very much. If you guys are just stopping by, please feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.